Hi, I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a crescent moon for beginners. Crescent moon is very simple to draw and it's a pretty shape. I draw the outside part first. It's a partial circle, so you want to get it as if you were going to draw a circle, but it's about half of a circle. I mean, it is half of a circle. And then for a really thin one, I just bring in the inside like that, another curve, but tapering to points at the top. And that's a thin crescent moon, and you can do a thicker one too. A crescent moon means thin though, but it could be a little thin. Let me use a different marker. It could be like this too, like a little thicker. That kind of looks like a banana too. But it does look a little bit like a banana. This would be a good guide to think of. And that is how you draw a crescent moon if you're a beginner.